Hi, welcome to TVCS. I'm Tanvir. I'm here for explaining, energy transform. In this world, no energy can be created or no energy can be uh, kept in a same place that is being transformed. But in this situation, there are many types of energy, sound energy, light energy. One energy is getting transformed into one energy into another energy. But every individual and company main target is getting how highest number of output. Okay, energy are being input in every machine, in every factory, but how much output can be found? You watching, this is the Sankey diagram of a car, and this is 20 millimeter input figure, this is 12 millimeter. So from the Sankey diagram, on the basis of millimeter, from the calculation of percentage, the total input energy is 1 lakh joule you are watching. In a car, huge number of energy needed for running a car, and this 1 lakh joule have been input in this car, and that is the input energy, right? And that is 20 millimeter, but output wastage is 12 millimeter. So if you, with the unitary method, mean 1 lakh, where 1 lakh is input and where 1 is input and where 60,000 is in wastage. So from the unitary method you can get the millimeter also. So many millimeters will be given and many millimeters will be missing, but from the percentage unitary method you try to get. This is the one message. Second message you are watching, in a car, these 1 lakh joule have been input, and some energy 2000 joule have been misused because of the battery charge, light purpose. Okay, and most of the energy 60,000 joule have been wasted as a sound and heat. In every car, this is a great challenge. Anyway, last of all, 38,000 joule have been utilized properly. So this is the output. Anyway, in the O-level final exam, so in short, this has been written that output OP efficiency. I told that every company and every person challenge getting the efficiency. I mean the feed out back or the total return, and that is called efficiency. Efficiency has been written as E, and input has been written here. In short, has been written IP. This is my writing. Anyway, and efficiency is question of percentage, and the main formula, exact formula that had been got in the book, efficiency is equal to output by input into 100. You are watching, right? Okay, and but this is the formula. you shouldn't be satisfied, because if you enter in exam hall with a rough idea, with a haphazard disorganized idea, you'll be in great problem, because this formula is enough for making the mathematics, because instantly you are under pressure in exam hall, you should have a pyramid. This formula, this is the raw formula. This formula has been squeezed and formed in a pyramid. Okay, so we have got, from this total measure, it has been found that 38% efficiency has been found, because 1 lakh have been input, 60,000 have been wasted, and 38,000 have been got as a effective car moving. So 38 is the percentage. Okay, so percentage mean 38 by 100, right? So I have put 38,000 here, 1 lakh here, and this is 38, right? So this is one part, this is another part. This is the main secret of pyramid. In every O-level student, IGC student, A-level student, or any kind of better student should have many pyramid. I mean that if someone enter in exam hall with 100 pyramids, there are 300 formula. Pyramid is the very well disciplined ideas. Pyramid is the very well disciplined ideas. So these mathematics, this formula have been rewritten as a pyramid you are watching. So output into 100. From here, there is existence of 100. So output into 100, efficiency input. So pyramid is like that. If you ask output, these and these will be multiplied. This is efficiency and this is input will be multiplied, and there is an extra 100. So if you want to get these on, these and these will be multiplied. But if you want to get this on efficiency, if you want to get input, then these and these will be divided. You are watching. And we have got the input is 1 lakh joule from this formula. I have exposed how that could be found. And if you want to expect this on, again these and these will be multiplied. So pyramid, if you want to get the upper on, these and these will be multiplied. If you want to get these on, these and these will be divided. If you want to get these on, these and these will be again divided. So basically, S is equal to D is equal to S into T. This is the formula of kinematics, right? Distance is equal to speed into time. But I haven't seen in any book Sankey diagram, over the Sankey diagram, pyramid was not made in any book. This is my own pressure and intention that my student gets suitability in exam hall. So from myself, I try to make this pyramid that output is equal to efficiency to input. But this pyramid has bit fault that I had to input 100 here. Anyway, but if you memorize this pyramid, you'll be successful. But please try to remind that in every answer writing time, you try to maintain the unit. When the result is efficiency, you have to put percentage, because efficiency, result of efficiency has to be written in percentage. Input and output, that's a different talk. That is question of general joule or blah blah. This is because this is energy. The energy unit of energy is joule. Obviously that will be joule, kilojoule or megajoule. Okay, and kilojoule is 1000 joule and megajoule is 10 lakh joule. Anyway, so 1 million joule. So again I'm repeating, this is Sankey diagram, and diagram is enough that how much effective output has been found. If this is that much, if this is that much, output is huge. If this is this much, very little, wastage. In Germany, many companies are very successful company. Their wastage is very little. Okay, country like third world country, they don't have that much effective lack of wastage. Anyway, so this is every company target is shortening, okay, the wastage. Anyway, so you understood, I think. So this is in Sankey diagram, this millimeter, there are 3 portion, this portion, that portion and this portion. This millimeter not given, so from in relation of the input and wastage. Okay, fine. If you subtract wastage from the input, you can get the output. Okay, because total input and wastage will be subtracted and you can get the output. Okay, and this is the formula written here. Please try to use. Yesterday we had the class over this chapter and we took 2 classes on this chapter, energy transform. And later, yesterday, we confirmed our ST, short test. 30 marks short test we took, right? And today, I'll give the result. And at the time of solving the checking the answer paper, I made this video. I made these ideas. Thank you very much.